Oh my god, that's a lot. It seems that he's not gonna leave anymore. Magkano po yung hotdog niyo, sir? Ang mahal naman. Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys is my birthday! So, ayan po, namatanda na naman po tayo. But I'm happy kasi ngayon magsa-celebrate ako na hindi ako mag-isa because last year when I got here, naalala ko, birthday ko last year ay nasa COVID hall ako. Tapos mag-isa ako. Nandun ako sa may family room area ng COVID hall. Tapos mag-isa lang. So, today guys, we will be going to a campground sa Correctionville. Mag-camping kami doon for 3 days and 2 nights. Balik lang din kami dito on Thursday kasi may duty na ako ng Thursday and Friday. And then sa Sabado ng gabi na lang kami magdi-dinner dito sa bahay. Together with the friends here in Ida Grove. Ayan, na mga available. Ang bibisi kasi ng mga... Ang bibisi na kasi guys. Kaya wala, hindi na yung parang kagaya sa Pinas na madami kang kasama pag birthday mo. Kasi puro kayo 8 to 5, ganyan. Here, wala, iba-iba yung schedule namin. But anyway, i-enjoy lang namin ngayon. Mag-relax lang kami ngayon sa camping. Camping lang, tsaka yung pupuntahan namin ngayon walang swimming. So, camping tsaka magbabike lang kami sa trail o kaya baka mag-hike kami konti or trek lang, ganyan. Depende kung anong mangyayari. So, samahan nyo kami ngayon guys sa pagka-camping namin and sana ma-enjoy nyo rin tong vlog na ito. Tata 8, 9, 22. Nati nights nga paid to.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so.
Straight mo na dali. Straight ko man hindi.
Sige.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you say, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. So how is life and how Hollywood if all your dreams came true? Then how come every time we talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye, you can't hide all this loneliness inside, so you weep and cry by yourself to sleep at night. Now fear consumes your mind. What if I'm not too caught up for this life? Oh, I've never seen you act this way.
Hey everyone! Nakaayos na kami. Umalis lang si Mac. Pero nakaayos na kami ng campsite namin. Umalis si Mac kasi may bibilhin lang. Dito lang naman yun sa malapit, sa Dollar Gen. Bibili lang siya ng pwede naming i-grill kasi may ano pala dito, may kahoy pala silang benta dito. So, dito na lang namin naisip kasi may fire pit kami dito. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano yung setup namin dito sa camping namin. Just in case gusto nyo rin mag-camp, o diba? Kung fall ko na to na ma-upload tong video na to. At least for next year, may mga ideas kayo na pwede nyong balikan tong video na to. Kasi guys, magiging super duper busy yung month namin ng August. So parang siningit lang namin itong camping na to because today is my birthday. So parang gusto ko lang naman na outdoor kami or yun, parang hinahabol namin yung summer talaga kasi malapit nang lumamig. So ito yung campground guys. Ito, malayo siya hanggang doon pa. Meron pa doon sa duulo papasok doon. Ayan. So itong campground na to guys, itong area na to dito sa area na to, electric lang nga meron, wala siyang water, pero meron siyang, alam mo yung parang bomba sa atin, yung gripo. Ayun, yung manual, meron siyang ganun. Potable water naman yung nilalabas nun, so okay lang. Pero nagdala pa rin kami ng sarili naming tubig. So papakita ko lang yung setup namin guys para sa aming camping. So ito yung driveway namin. Tapos ito yung pinagparkan namin ng aming mga bike kasi yung gagawin naman namin dito is magbike kasi mababa yung tubig daw sa lake ngayon. So hindi pwede mag-swim. And that is the source of our electricity. Nung nasa lake view kami guys ay may source of water kami. Pero ngayon wala kaming source of water. Pero okay lang naman. Sa kabila doon na mga campsite, doon yung may source of water. Ayaw namin madaming tao doon kasi nandun yung mga naka-camper. Ito yung setup namin for our camping. Ayan. So yung pinakamalapit na neighbor namin is yan. Tapos dito kami. May fire pit dito kaya lumabas din si Mac para kumuha ng mga pwede naming i-grill. And then dito guys, ayan siya. So may dala kami na iglo. Yan, nandyan yung mga food namin na mga frozen, mga ganyan. Tapos ito, may dala kaming lutuan. Ayan. Ito yung lutuan namin guys from Coleman. Tapos propane. Sinabit lang niya to kanina kasi wala kaming mapaglagyan ng basura. But anyway yan. Tapos nandun na yung rice. Nagluto ako ng rice. Ito yung mga food namin. May minarinade ako dyan. Kaya na may nakatakip dyan. Kitchen towel and other towels para sa pagpupunas. And may sarili din kaming water dito. May extra pa kaming water dun. And below that, those are our cookwares. Parang nandyan yung mga sandok, mga kung ano-anong pangluto. Ayan, nandyan mga plato namin. Tapos ito naman guys, nandito yung mga dry na food namin, mga snacks, ganyan. Tsaka yung mga condiments. May table na kasi bawat area. So, nagdala lang kami ng pang cover para mas madali siyang linisin. Tapos nandito na rin yung aking laptop. Kasi mag-edit ako just in case wala na kaming magawa or mabore. Ganyan. Kasi wala, nandito lang talaga kami para umupo. At saka magbabike. Yan. May electricity naman. Tsaka may wifi dito. So, pwede siguro ako mag-upload. And those stuff are nandun yung mga toiletries namin. And yung kalahati niya, nandun yung mga chargers, batteries. Ayan. Mga ano sa GoPro. Yan. Tapos guys, pag magka-camp kayo, bili kayo ng at least mga 50 feet na extension. Ayan, 50 feet yan. Dalawang tig 25. Ayan. So, ito naman guys, kanina, itong canopy namin, ito palang canopy namin is from Ozark Trail. Yan canopy na yan, nandito siya kanina. Actually, lipat din namin yan mamaya. Nilagay lang namin doon kasi medyo mainit kanina kasi pa sunset na. So, lilipat na lang namin siya dito later. Tapos, meron kaming tarp. Ayan. Tapos, yung banig sa ibabaw ng tarp para kahit nasa sahig, hindi masyadong madumihan yung banig namin. Yung tarp is from, I think this one is also Ozark Trail. And then yung banig namin is from Walmart din. Nasa mga camping area. Nasa yung mga upuan namin, yung mga folded na upuan namin. Yan. And this is our tent. This is 3-person tent. Ayan, Ozark Trail din. Tapos may tarp lang kami sa ilalim para may protection. And then sa loob niya guys, ayan, di ko na i-open na. Ang dami kasing bugs. Ayan, may airbed po kami dyan. Tapos we have our pillows. Tapos yung aming blankets. Ayan. Yung medyo, wala kaming sleeping bag. Hindi na kami bumili. Hindi naman kami heavy camper. Kaya kung ano na yung meron kami dun. Actually, throw blanket lang to from Walmart. Ayan, makapal naman siya. Kaya kaya pa naman niya for summer. And then guys, dito sa pinakalikod namin, this is our, restroom. Ayan. Pwede rin sana kaming maligo dito. Kaso wala nga kaming source of water dito. Makikita nyo ba yun? Yung building na nandun. Doon ang shower area. Kapag magsha-shower kami, pupunta lang kami doon, nagbabike kami, ganyan. Ganon din yung ginawa namin sa Lakeview. Nung pumunta kaming Lakeview, guys, wala kaming ganito. And na-realize namin na kaming dalawa ni Mac, palaihi kami ng gabi kasi nga, mahilig kaming uminom ng tubig. Ayan, ako talaga, heavy talaga ako uminom ng tubig. So, ihiya kami ng ihi. Ayaw naman naming pumunta sa shower area para lang umihi na magbabike pa kami, tulog ka na ganun. Kaya bumili na kami ng ganito namin guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung loob niya. Actually, pwede kayo mag-DIY. Ayan, hindi na kami nakapag-DIY kasi hindi ko kasi alam yung size na pwede dito eh. Kasi nabili ko lang tong mga to online sa Walmart app mismo. Ayan. Ito siya, may toilet seat talaga siya. Tapos kung makikita nyo, alam nyo to, this is horse, ano bang tawag dito? Parang alam mo yung feed para sa horse. Ayan, para kapag umihi ka, i-absorb niya, then pwede mo lang siyang itapon. Hindi yung magde-drain ka pa ng tubig. So yan, puno to. So nakaseparate na yan na mga niya, para kapag iihi lang kami ng gabi. Ayan, dito kami iihi. Hindi siya for pooping. Pang ihi lang talaga siya. So, toilet seat talaga siya, sis. Nandito yung mga wipes namin and other na gamit na pwedeng gamitin dito sa loob. Ayan. Actually guys, tong camping namin, kung i-compare siya sa mga experiences namin na camping sa Pilipinas, I consider this as a glamping already. Kasi kapag nagka-camping kami sa Pinas noon, nung college kami, we don't have all this stuff. So, parang sobrang matrabahong mag-camping yung nasa Pilipinas pa kami. Parang naisip na nga namin ni Maki na magandang business to if ever. Kasi ang ano namin talaga dito, ang hilig talaga namin mag-ganito, mag-outdoor. Pero guys, dito sa US, yung ganitong camping, hindi siya glamping. Ito yung pinakamababang uri. Hindi naman sa pinakamababang uri. Parang isa siya sa hindi siya primitive kasi may electric pa kami. Pero kung wala na kaming electric, tinatawag na nilang primitive camping siya. Pero dito kasi guys, hindi kasi masyadong nagtitent ang mga tao. They have camper. So, yung camper, parang bahay na siya, sasakyan siya na malaki. Ayan, na itinotow ng pickup truck. Yun yung ginagamit nila for their camping. So, sila yung nandun sa kabilang side na mas madaming tao na may water and electric. Ayan. Kasi yun, mas comfortable talaga yun na gamitin. Pero kami kasi, hindi naman kami laging nagka-camping. So, parang okay na kami dito. Pero kung talagang, alam mo yun, like the travel nurses na nakakita ko, ayun, pwede sana yung ganong lifestyle. Pero, parang hindi ko kaya yung ganong lifestyle na sobrang tagal mag-camping. Yung 2 to 3 nights, okay na siguro ako nun. Yun lang. Pinili mo, may marshmallow kami. And then, beef hot dogs. Pero alam mo, mas masarap pa rin talaga yung tender, juicy hot dogs. Iwan namin yung scrub daddy namin. disposable, ano to? Grill topper.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a lot. It seems that he's not gonna leave anymore.
Totally fine. What are you guys up to? I see you got all this equipment. Yeah, just pictures or?
We're just documenting life.
Oh, is it?
We're actually new here in Iowa. We're
New?
from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines, that's neat. So what brought you to Iowa then?
We're working in the hospital.
Working?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, otherwise Iowa normally doesn't bring too many people in out of all the states,
Yeah.
you know, you can pick for,
Yeah. Well, this is our first assignment, so.
yeah.
3 years.
3 years? No, you're not counting or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
we're counting it.
It's fine. We're enjoying life here.
Yeah, is there like places you want to visit or?
We just started camping like
Yeah,
last
started.
month. We went to Lakeview. Yeah, because we only have like 2 days off and then
Oh yeah, I guess.
back to
yeah.
work. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be here till 8. Yep, I
Oh.
normally, and then I'll be here tomorrow. I work 2 night shifts a week, and then we always have someone here till like 8 o'clock at night, though.
Oh,
From
okay.
like 8 a.m. till 8 at night.
Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars. Watch her wide-eyed memories ignite. Hold her real tight, whisper my child. Seasons will fly by.
Basta naman dyan sis. Magkano po yung hotdog nyo, sir?
$2.
Ang mahal naman. Grabe ka naman.
America to sis.
America na to sis.
Hindi na to ano.
Tsaka maganda kasi yung ano sis, yung ang tawag nito, yung place. Outdoor kasi sis.
Far light years away, there's someone beside the moon. Dream under the stars, nestled into her father's arms. Does he watch her wide-eyed?
Sarap yarn.
Memories ignite, holds her real tight, whispers my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me in the stars. Be in the stars.
Good yarn.
Even if we're miles apart, when you look up at the stars, you're back in my arms, oh my dear. If you raise your children right, they will see you in the sky. Hold their own real tight, say my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night.
Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po yung part ng ating vlog ng pagsha-shoutout sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na sample embassy interview questions. Ayan, ito po yung mga sample questions para sa mga EB3 na magpapa-interview. Ayan, kung hindi nyo pa napanood at nag-aabang kayo ng ID ninyo, better watch that para makapag-prepare na rin kayo para sa inyong interview soon. Ayan, so shoutout po kay Bivore, Verma, Mikmik, Makabulos, Medtech Ham, Team Gab Official Vlog, and then kay ESL TV 13 channel, Tita Medtech. Ang dami mga Medtech na napupunta sa video ko Feeling ko friends to nila Love kasi sinashare din nila yung mga yung mga videos ko. But anyway, thank you so much guys. And then shout out din kay Ibrahim Hailil, nandito ka ulit, Nomi Milante, Junella Abellera, kay Marie Geo, Christine Joy Abellana, Pro Gamer Roblox. Hindi ko alam kung adult ba to o account to ng anak. Ayan, nagro-Roblox din kayo. Sino pa ba? Raymond Caberto, Ronnie Caberto. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for commenting and for supporting the channel, for watching my videos, and for sharing my videos. Salamat po ng marami. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, especially on my Facebook, active ako doon. So you might want to follow me over there. And yun, salamat ng marami. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye! Mwah!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody else